Hi everyone, Jason Damalolo. Hopefully see everyone at Tonga welcoming the boys home. Hope they all ready for their floats and to celebrate Whawhatu season soon.
Yeah, no worries at all. Can't wait to get over there. Really looking forward to the trip, and haven't been back since 2019. So looking forward to seeing everyone, and I hope everyone's at the airport there to greet us, and we'll see you soon.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. We just joined together for the first time, and we're all excited to head to Tonga. It'll be a first time for some of these new boys, and they're really looking forward to it, especially meeting family and seeing the fans. So it should be a great trip.
Hi, Manaukanga Tonga, Silver Havili from the Bunnies. Looking forward to getting back to Tonga. And
Yes, please support us, and we're going to bring home the cup this year.